There we go.
Hello.
All right, so basically we talked about waves, and here's a wave, and here's another wave. I bet that's really loud in the microphone. Okay, now, so we talked yesterday about the distance from the top of a wave to the top of the wave, and what do we call that?
Wavelength.
Wavelength. Now, I don't think I mentioned to you, you might want to write this on your paper, bits and odds and notes. All right, I don't think I mentioned to you the symbol that they sometimes use with that we'll use. It's like this Greek symbol. All right, it's a lowercase l, it's called lambda. 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 All right, that's the wavelength. All right. Now, if you have these two waves, where's my stick? If we have these two waves, which of these two waves are you going to run into more often? In other words, here I've hit about one wave each, 2 on the bottom, 3 on the bottom, 4 on the bottom, and only 2 on the top. Which one are we going to hit more often?
The bottom.
The bottom. All right, so we're going to say that has a higher frequency. All right, higher frequency. All right, so we need a couple terms. We need a couple terms here. Term number one, the top of a wave is called the crest, like the toothpaste. All right, the bottom of this wave. Now, question, how would you say that word?
Trough.
Trough.
Okay. Now, English is a stupid language. Very hard to learn. For instance, the correct pronunciation of this is trough.
Trough.
Right? Trough, I kid you not. Now, if that's trough, then this should be through. Right? That's through. No, what is it?
That's through.
That's through. Oh, okay. So if that's through, this should be two.
No.
Tough.
No, that's tough. Wait, so if that's tough, this should be cuff. That's cough. Okay, well wait, if that's cough, then this should be enough. Enough, right?
Enough.
No, enough. English is so screwy. I mean, look at that. Through, tough, cough, enough. Enough.
Trough.
Trough. Okay, so what's this?
Goatee.
Goatee.
That's fish.
Oh.
That's fish.
Alright, that GH makes sense.
All right, watch. How did you say this word?
Oh.
Trough. Right? That's trough. Right? Okay? How do you say this word?
Woman.
Plural is
Women.
women. Men. How do you say this word?
Nation.
Fish. Fish.
Oh.
It's fish. How does anybody learn English, man? Seriously. Terrible stuff. All right. So anyhow, so tell people that's fish. They'll look at you funny. I think there's actually a band that has this and then the word hook, and they call themselves Fish Hook. Anybody? It's like-
Goatee hook.
No, it's Fish Hook. All right. Anyhow, neither here nor there. Okay, so here's the deal. Which one of these here waves here took more energy?
Football.
Which one of the top one or the bottom one took more
Bottom.
energy? Which one was harder to
Bottom.
make? Okay, I don't have consensus. If I did this, I got that, right?
Yes.
If I did this, I got that, right?
Yes.
So which one takes more work?
Bottom.
The bottom one, right? It's more energy. So the waves are closer together, so it's more energy. So if it's high energy, what's true about the frequency? It's high. Okay? So energy and frequency, there's a word for that. They're what's called directly proportional. Okay, what does that mean? Directly proportional. That means when this one goes up, that one goes up.
So they're linked.
So they're linked, directly linked. Okay? Neil, which one of these had more energy? Bottom one?
Yeah.
So, which one has the bigger wavelength?
Top.
Cap.
The top one. So, wavelength and energy,
Opposite.
there's a fancy word for it, inversely proportional. Time for you to start learning some of these words that they're going to use in classes like math and science. So, two things go up together, they're directly proportional. Two things go up opposite, inverse is opposite, they're going inversely proportional. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right. Now, you want to stop that for a second?